Keep it cut to the left, keep going.
We're gonna go for an adventure. That was a good start. Gonna get gas, and then we'll see what else happens. Struggling. I was here. Oh my God. No, don't feel it. Yo, this shit makes me feel nuts. Like scared. We're back at Collier Mills. This is just, yo, he's going for it? What a sicko. That's the stuff, Johnny, that I'm not ready for, I don't think. Yo, he's going? Actually, I probably can do that. I ain't doing that shit. Look at that. What? I'm gonna go straight.
Okay. Is that your glass? The glass window itself. Oh, it's the antenna.
It's my antenna. Okay, that makes me feel better.
A good screenshot right here. I'm gonna frame it.
Oh, Civic? It looks incredible right now. All its majesticness and broken downness. Because I don't know, the wagon's not running 100%. I really don't want to push its luck, and honestly, I'm adrenaline out. The car's like, it's stalled on us. It's doing that low idle thing again. I don't know what's going on. We gotta figure this out. Just got home. At least we have something to figure out, or at least I have some research to do. All right, we'll see you in the garage. Today's Sunday fun day, when we fix all the problems and clean the house and do the laundry. Everything that's happening to this car currently, I'm starting to really think is the air idle control valve. Made it back alive from Home Depot. Back at the casa. That's it. I gotta do some planting. Parts are coming tomorrow for the Civic, so that's gonna have to wait. Maybe I'll touch the Prelude today, who knows? It's gonna rain a little bit, so I'm trying to get some outdoor work done first and check back in a little bit. Got one remanufactured. It's not a Honda one, but it's pretty legit. Hopefully it looks like the other one. They look similar just on a quick look. But like what I was saying, I had usually the H series and probably all Hondas, if you deal with enough of these people, the air idle control valves get clogged on these, and just to clean out the screen, and usually the surging idles go away. Prelude H series, all plagued with surging idles. My US spec motor had a surging idle. My Euro R never did. I'm going to replace this real quick and then go for a test drive. Really simple. 2 hoses that coolant goes into, 2 12mm bolts, and 1 sensor. I want to remove this. And you hear that noise? So annoying. One of my least favorite things to do in Hondas is take out hoses. Usually make Johnny do this, but he's working. Old versus new. Should've just used this in the first place. It's honestly way better than the other one. This needs to be replaced. I need to get a set of vacuum lines for like this entire car. Pretty much everything. Everything. Let's get all the tools out, and probably gonna have to burp the system. Bubbling like crazy. Still bubbling away. Alright, seems to be warmed up. Perfect timing because I gotta get the chicken in the oven. Heat is freaking burning hot. We don't need that anymore. Idle's holding pretty good. I'm happy. Test this out later. All right. Potential success today. We shall see. Starting up pretty good. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit and then hit the streets. I think everything's good. We'll know right now. I'm about to come to a hard stop. This is when it used to do all the issues. Like it would start like dropping, and then it will go like down to the lowest line. The car would shake and then sometimes turn off. Yo, she's holding perfect. Success. Civic is good, and I guess I'll see you guys next week.